Alright, welcome to this video tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll be guiding you step by step on how you can create something like this. Okay, I can create a website like this, an e-commerce store like this. Okay, can add to cart. Okay, add it to cart. View your cart and proceed to checkout. Okay, so let's dive into our WordPress dashboard. I'm already in mine, so we'll be needing few plugins and theme. So hover over appearance, click on themes. This is the theme you are going to install. I've already installed mine, Astra. Just click on add new and search for Astra. Once you install it, activate it. Then the second thing we are going to install is plugin. Hover over plugin, click on add new. You search for Ecommerce. You can see I've already installed it. I'm also going to search for starter template. You can see I've already installed it as well, and the last one is Elemental. Okay, once you are done installing your plugin and theme, then scroll down, hover over appearance, click on starter template. Here we are going to select one of the themes that we are going to use. These ones are free, so we are going to just select on free version. Let's get the e-commerce first, and let's get the free version. Okay, all these ones are free, so we're going to use one of these templates. Let's use this one. I think this one is nice. I've used it before. Okay, we're going to import complete template, but before then, let's preview and see how the site looks like. Okay, this is how the site will look like. So let's go ahead and import this. Import complete site. Okay, selecting of this. Click on next. Skip this. If you like, enter your email address. Okay, let's wait while we import the site. Okay, we're done importing the site. Let's preview it. Okay, this is how our website will look like now. So the next thing we need to do is to click on edit with Elemental. Yes, this is where the work is going to start. So the first thing we need to do, let's hold on so that the whole image will pop up. All right. Okay, the first thing we need to do is to start editing some of the images, the write-ups that you don't want. Like this one, I'm going to change this image to something else. So just click on this. Okay, you can see the image here just by the left side. Click on it. I'm going to change it to something else. Let me go to my, okay, let me just pick this. Okay, just drag it. Once it turns blue, leave it. Okay, then click on insert. Boom, you can see inserted. We've changed that image. So the next thing we need to do is to change this text. So click on this. You can see this is the text. Get started. So I'm going to write buy now. Okay, you may decide to center it. You may decide to take it at the right side, but I'm going to leave it at the left side. So the next thing is to change. I want to change the color of the background color and the text color when hovered over. You can see it is on white. So click on style. Okay, the text color, I'm going to make it black. I'm going to make it black. Okay, then the background color, I'm going to make the background color, let me say blue. Okay, alright, you can see the text is now black and the background color is now blue. So on hover, click on hover. I'm going to make the text white. Okay, then the background color, I'm going to make the background color something blue but a bit lighter. Okay, or let me just give it a different color so you can see the, alright, though this is not the best color, I just want to show you that it's working. Actually, you can see it. Okay, we are done. Please endeavor to update your work. Once you do something, just update it. And by any mistake, if you make a mistake, just click on this history. Okay, click on this history. You can see all the edits I've been making since are actually here. Just select any of them and it will take you back to the, okay, so I'm going to go back to where I was. So the next thing you need to do is click on this to edit the text. Okay, let me just copy and paste. Okay, you can see I can push this text a bit away from this line. So you click on advanced. Okay, just click on this. Okay, and if you want to join all, click on this link values together. Click on this. So you're going to notice that all these things will be increasing at the same time. Let me click so you can see it. You can see all the four are going in at the same time. Hope you get. Alright, the next thing we need to do is to update our changes. Okay, let's say for instance, let's scroll down. You see this button. Let's say for instance, I don't want to start editing the button separately. All I need to do is just to right click on this guy. Okay, right click on this, click on copy, then go down. I'm going to paste it here. Okay, then I'll delete this very one. Just right click, then click on delete. You can see I've removed that one and I'm using this particular one. Okay, if it is this picture that you don't need, just click on this. This is it. You now replace it with a picture that you want. Okay, scroll down. If it is the section that you don't want, just click on this star sign here, and this section will be completely removed. Okay, so this is how you can edit the page with Elementor. Let me update. So while you are working, at the same time be viewing it on your mobile. To view it on mobile, you can see responsive mode. Click on this. Then this is the mobile version and this is the tablet version. Let's test it on mobile. You can see this is it on mobile. Okay, I may decide to center this one on mobile, so just click on this. Okay, click on content. So I'm going to center this one for mobile. You can see it is centered on mobile. So if I click on update, so let's test it on a tablet. You can see it's very nice on tablet, but it's not centered, but I love it the way it is. Okay, now let's go back to our desktop version. Okay, so this is how you can do all these things. You remember we centered it on mobile, but here it is still where it is supposed to be. Okay, so this is how you can edit all these things. Now let's say you want to edit the image, I mean your logo. All you need to do is to, let's go back to our dashboard. Click on, let's go back to our dashboard. I want to show you two ways you can actually do that. You can see this is the store now. This is how it looks now. This is the, you want to change this logo. All you need to do is to click on this customize. Okay, then you click on header builder. Click on site identity and logo. This is the image. Click on change image or change logo. Let me see if I have an image that can change. For the sake of this tutorial, let me just use this. Okay, all right. Then click on select, skip cropping, then click on publish. You can see the logo has been changed. Now this site icon is actually this thing. You can see this is the site icon. Okay, now let's change the site icon of this one. We're still going to use the same image. Scroll down, set site icon. Okay, we're going to select it now. We're still going to use the same image. Select, skip cropping, then publish. When we publish, we are going to see this image somewhere here. So publish. Okay, once you are done, go back. Let me show you something before we go to the final. Go back again. Okay, this global color, click on global color, colors. You can see, let me show you what I want to do now. Let's go to our website. Okay, you can see this is our website now. Okay, let's say some of these text colors I want to change them so you can see that is these are the theme colors, the color that came with the theme that we installed earlier. So let's go here and give it something different. Let me make this one, just click on the color, let's just give it a different color so that you see how it will change. Okay, let's make it blue. Publish. Let's make this one a different color. Okay, okay, this one, let's just give it a different color so that you see how it's going to change. Okay, publish and click on this. Let's make it okay, and the last one, which is the heading, let's make the heading red. Okay, I hope you are noticing that everything has changed. Then publish. Okay, once you are done, click on either you go back to continue editing or you click on this X to exit the page. Now if we go back to our website, look at it. If we refresh it, you are going to see a different color. You can see this one has changed to blue, this one has changed to red. You can see all these things has changed. You can see everything has changed. Even this that was on red has changed to that color that will give it. So once you are done, now let's go back to our home page. Let's go back to our dashboard for the final editing, because I don't want this video to be too long. So scroll down, you can see Elementor. Click on hover over products and click on all products. These are the product that came with Elementor. Let me show you. These are the product that came with the plugin product that came with it. Let's say we want to add this one to cart. Click on this. If you try adding it to cart, let me show you. Let's view cart. Alright, let's proceed to checkout. You can see, sorry, it seems that there are no available payment method for your state. Okay, this is an error telling us that we've not been able to set up the payment plan with this our website. Okay, alright, now let's go back and start adding products to our website. The first thing we need to do is to delete all these products, right? Okay, to delete all the products, just click on this, select this, move to trash, then apply. Okay, once you are done deleting your products, the default product, you now click on add new. So I'm going to call this Hermes shoe. Okay, then scroll down. Let me add a product image, set a product image. Let's pick this one. Okay, if what you are actually selling is a digital product, then click on this visual and downloadable. Okay, but this one is simple product, so I'm going to leave it on simple product. The next thing is to give it a price. Let's say 30,000. Then the selling price is 25,000 naira. Okay, this is the long description, but here is the short description. So I'm going to copy a dummy text from here. I'm going to paste it here. I'm going to paste it here. This is the short description. Okay, then click on publish. I'm just going to add 2 products. So let's add new. I'm going to call this one Dio's bag. Okay, and I'm going to give it price of 15,000, and the selling price is 13,000 naira. Okay, I'll scroll down. I'll set a product image. I'm going to use this very one. Set product image. I'm going to still paste the short description, the same one I copied earlier here. Then click on publish. Okay, now if we go back to our website and refresh, you will notice that it's not showing on the home page. But if you click on all products, you notice that the 2 products are actually showing here, and you can click on this. This was the description that we give, and this was the 30,000 naira regular price, and this is the 25,000 naira selling price. Okay, you can make it 2. Okay, if we add it to cart, view cart, then proceed to checkout. Okay, this is it. Sorry, it seems that because we've not linked a payment gateway to our store, so I don't want this tutorial to be too long. In the next tutorial, I will be showing you how you can add. If you notice, it is not on categories. If you come here, we've not created any categories for it. Look at it. We've not created any category for it. Okay, I'm still going to show you how we can disable some of these things in our next tutorial. But before I go, let me show you this. If you look at here, what you are seeing is, let's go back to home page. If you look at here, what you are seeing is my blog. So in our next tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can correct all those things. So thank you for watching, but please don't forget to subscribe so you can get notification when I drop the second video.